Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Hope you have studied all the portions very well, right? Hey children, yesterday we have taken the topic pronouns. Did you remember that? Yeah, very good. So what is a pronoun? Yeah, a pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun or naming word. Isn't it? Yeah. Which are the examples? There are so many examples. Which are they? Yeah. He, she, it, I, you, they, we. These are some examples of pronouns. But I have told you yesterday that here we have to study only 3. What are they? Yeah, I, you and we. And now we can discuss the textual activities. All of you please get ready. All of you take page number 56. Grammar. Look at these pictures and words. My name is Rita. I am 5 years old. Here, my name is Rita. I am 5 years old. I is the pronoun used in the place of Rita. Second one, Raj, you are funny. Here you. You is the pronoun used in the place of Raj. Third one, I am Jeet. This is Riya and this is Neha. We are friends. Here, I, Riya, Neha. I am with Riya, Neha. And so we used the pronoun we in the place of I, Riya, Neha. Who is I here? I, Jeet. So, instead of Jeet, Riya, Neha, we is used. Sometimes we do not repeat the naming word. We use other words in the place of them. And that words are called, what is that word? Yeah, pronouns. What is it? Pronouns. The words I, we and you are used in place of naming words. Okay, page number 57, section A. Read these sentences. Say who or what the word in color is about. First question, my name is Colonel. I am in class 1. So, I is in color. I is colored here in brown color. What is I stands for? Yes, I here is Colonel. Who is I? Colonel. Second question, Sarah, you can sit there beside Diya. Sarah, you can sit there beside Diya. Can you say who is you? Here who is you? Yeah, you said the right answer. You is Sarah. Sarah. You is Sarah. Third question, Hamid and I are in class 1. We are friends. Here, I am telling about myself along with my friend. Who is my friend? Hamid. We have already studied when I am talking about myself along with others. What we use? We. So we are friends. So here the question is, who is we? Who is we? We is Hamid and I. We is used in the place of Hamid and I. Next one, that is fourth question. The teacher asked Justin, do you have a pencil? The teacher asked Justin. Teacher asked to Justin, do you have a pencil? You. Who is you? What is the answer, my dear children? The teacher is asking Justin. So, you is Justin. Who is you? Yeah, you stands for Justin. All of you take down the answers. Now take page number 58. Section B. Complete each sentence with the correct word. First question. My name is Vinod and this is my sister. What is the answer? It is already given. We use we. Instead of Vinod and my sister, what we use? We. Which is the pronoun? We. We are reading a book. We are reading a book. Second question. My parrot likes to talk a lot. Dash say hello to her every day. What is the answer? My parrot likes to talk a lot. I say hello to her every day. Isn't it? My parrot. So who will say hello? I. So what is the correct answer? I say hello to her every day. Third question. Komal can dash read me a story. Here the girl is asking Komal to read her a story. So which pronoun is used? We or you? Yeah, the correct answer is you. So write down the answer. Fourth one. My name is Dana. Dash love the rain. My name is Dana. Dash love the rain. What is the answer? I or we? Which pronoun is used in the place of Dana? My name is Dana. So instead of Dana, yeah, the correct answer is I. My name is Dana. I love the rain. Next, page number 59. Vocabulary. Here, 4 pictures are given. You have to write the words from the box below the pictures. Observe the pictures carefully and write the words below. The words are in the box. We have to write the opposite words. After writing the words here, we could understand that it is the opposite words. First picture, sad. The girl is crying because she is sad, S-A-D. While the boy is laughing. So, what is the opposite of sad? Yeah, it is happy, H-A-P-P-Y. What is the second question? There, 2 children are there. One boy is running fast. Behind him, a boy is going slowly. He is running slowly. So what is the word here? First boy, the small boy. Below that we have to write slow. S-L-O-W. So the opposite of slow is fast. The boy is running fast. What is the spelling? F-A-S-T. Fast. Write down. See the third question. Two boys are standing. First boy is having ice cream and second boy is wearing sweater. So what do you understand? Yeah, first boy is eating ice cream because it is too hot. And second boy is wearing sweater. What is the reason? Because it is too cold. So how will you write? Below the first boy, write hot. H-O-T. Below the second boy, write cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. Okay? Next one, fourth question. We can see picture a grandmother and a girl. From this picture we can understand the grandma is old while the girl is young. How can we write? Grandma is old. O-L-D. Old. While the girl is young. Y-O-U-N-G. You can see these words in the box. Dear children, we studied the opposites words in the section vocabulary. Let us read. Sad opposite happy. Slow opposite fast. Hot opposite cold. Old opposite young. My dear children, today we discussed the textual activities based on pronouns and vocabulary section of this lesson. That is opposites. I attached the answers of these activities in our Google Classroom. You have to do it by yourself first, and after that you have to check the answers from the answer key. Okay? Not only simply writing down, you have to study it also. Okay, bye.